What's up, YouTube? So today we got another video. Before you do anything, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Obviously, you know, every time you guys do any one of those, it helps the channel out and it makes me know that people, you know, appreciate these videos that I'm doing for you guys, although I'm not too consistent as much as I would like to. But you know, with everything going on, you know, you kind of want to make sure that you take care of other situations first before you know, start making content. So let's get to the video. So today I'm going to talk about the comparison of the Air Jordan Fire Red 5s. Now I'm going to try to get to my little setup here. I got this Millennium Falcon that I'm making right now. You know, I know it's not shoe related, but just got to adjust to it real quick. So what's up, guys? So this is the Fire Red 5s and this is my comparison video. I really like this pair, but they both came with some factory defects, which I'm not really too fond of. I do know that, you know, over the course of mass producing a certain sneaker, you tend to get some defects here and there. I'm cool with that. It's just like, I just don't like how bad the defects were. This shoe right here is not too bad. Let me see. You know, you got some frail already on the right here on the stitching a little bit, which is not too bad. You can kind of see a slight scuff right here near the toe box. If my camera could adjust to it, I don't know if you guys can see that in the light, but yeah, it's not too bad. Let me see the other one. Yeah, this one also has like a slight scuff in the toe box. If you want to see my unboxing of these, I have the link below. I ended up copying 2 pairs on the sneakers app, obviously with 2 different phones, and you guys can check out what my actual thoughts when I ended up opening them. And this one here has a little scuff too, if you guys can see that. Yeah, and it has a, you know, it has a lot of glue marks. I'm not too happy about that. But anyways, this is not really about these. This is more about the comparison of the Fire Red 5s. So I'm gonna basically talk about all the 5s that I currently have, quote, the Fire Reds. Now here are the 2013 release pair. I ended up copying these, I want to say back in 2014, 2015 maybe. I've dogged these so much. Just Fire Red 5s is one of my favorite colorways, just because I don't know, I like the accent, I like the black and red. You know, I do like the OG, you know, metallic tongue. I know they got 2 versions. They got the black tongue and then they got the 3M tongue. I prefer the 3M just because it looks cleaner to me, and then the contrast between them is pretty good. Now these are beat. I do wear my shoes, so you know, don't clown me on these, but these are definitely in the terms of beat, but I'm still planning on wearing them even though they're pretty bad. So right here I have the 2015 release. I want to make sure 2015. So here, yeah, so here I have the 2015 Fire Red 5s on the low side. Not really a fan of lows, but I copped these in a good price, so you know, I figured I'll cop them. I also have a tutorial video on how I repaired this shoe. It'll be down below. So next we have the 1999 Fire Red 5s. This is basically the oldest Fire Red 5s that I have. I wish I had I believe it was 1990s. I wish I had those, but you know, unfortunately I don't. I do have the soles for these, but let me go get that for you. So I figured I'll get both shoes because I do have both. I don't have lace locks and I don't have the shoelaces for these, or the insoles. I actually have one. Yeah, I have one insole, but I'm not really too worried about it. So here are the sole. Oh wait, nope, this is just a plain white insole. So I do have the sole. They ended up crumbling a little bit, so I never had the original midsole, but I do have the bottom sole and then I have the uppers. So there's no major heel drag or any damage to the actual bottom sole. Slight yellowing. When I restore these, when I get my sole swap, which I did find one, I won't be clearing these just because I like the old vintage look, honestly. In my opinion, I do prefer it that way. But overall, these are pretty clean. The Jumpman is intact, but the tongue is starting to chip just a little bit. I'm not really too worried about that. You know, it's an old shoe, so you know, it's not really a big deal. So I'm planning on making a video on these fairly soon, just because I finally was able to get a donor, and I decided, because really not too fond of taking one shoe apart just to restore another one, but in this case I had, you know, no other way. So anyways, let me know if you guys cop the 2020 Fire Red 5s. The quality on these is actually really good. The leather is very soft. Besides a little bit of defects here and there, you know, I get that. But, you know, if you're going to end up paying $200 for a pair of sneakers, I want them to be as close to perfect as possible. You know, but if there was paint or gluing, it's not too bad. But having scuffs already on the toe box, I'm not really too fond of that. And, you know, I do like that, you know, they put a little cardboard here on the tongue, you know, just to protect it a little bit. Now, I'm going to keep these dead stock just for a little bit, just because I already have another pair. This one has a Nike logo, which everybody loves. But, you know, I don't mind rocking the 2013 pair with the Jumpman. It doesn't matter to me. I just needed to have this. You know, these are one of those shoes that you got to maintain a fresh pair. I don't have another fresh pair, so I figured I'll cop these. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe for the video. Like I said before, if you guys want to check out my playlist and some of my restorations, go ahead. I'm slowly doing new videos on that. And don't forget to look at my video on the custom Air Jordan 1s that I'm doing. Also, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.